The Galaxy S24 Ultra is doing really well, even better than the S24 Plus and the regular S24. A lot of people are choosing the titanium black color for the S24 Ultra. More people are going to stores in South Korea to check out the new S24 series and its Galaxy artificial intelligence features, which seem to be a big hit. The Galaxy S24 Ultra was introduced with Gorilla Glass armor, a feature that didn't receive as much attention as it deserved. Since its launch, various tests have been conducted to evaluate this new technology. Initially, it was observed that the Gorilla Glass armor significantly reduces screen reflections, greatly enhancing visibility. Furthermore, the phone underwent a rigorous test involving sand abrasion, and impressively, the screen remained undamaged. This speaks to the resilience and advanced protection offered by the new Gorilla Glass armor. The PBK Reviews channel conducted a scratch resistance test on the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen using Mohs hardness picks. Surprisingly, the screen showed remarkable resilience, remaining scratch-free at levels 6 and 7. It was only at levels 8 and 9 that scratches began to appear. The fact that the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen didn't get scratched until level 8 or 9 is really important. Normally, glass screens start getting scratched at level 6, with deeper scratches at level 7, something we've learned from Jerry Rig Everything. This new Gorilla Glass armor on the Samsung flagship might be a game-changer for future phones. Although it's still glass and should be handled carefully, it's clear that Samsung's latest screen is much tougher than older versions. Now there's going to be a really tough freeze test, but it's not just the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra being tested. The latest top model from Samsung will be compared with the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 8 Pro in this extreme cold test. In TechDroider's video, you can see that they first checked the three top phones, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Pixel 8 Pro, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. They put all three phones into a box full of water. The box filled with water, containing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the other flagship phones, was kept in a fridge for 6 hours. After this time, when the box was taken out, the three phones were found frozen inside a block of ice. This ice block with the phones was then left out to thaw. Once the phones were out of the ice, it went through a second round of tests. This time, the cameras, charging ports, and speakers were checked again. All the phones worked perfectly, without any major problems. To see more about this test, you can watch the video. This test shows that these flagship phones can withstand extreme cold, but it's important to note that they were only in shallow water. If frozen in deeper water, over 1.5 meters, the pressure could cause damage. So despite their high IP ratings, it's not a good idea to freeze these phones in deep water on purpose. The Galaxy S24 series is becoming very popular in certain places. It has been reported that in India, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra have set new records for the most pre-orders. Also, news from Korea says that in the first week, nearly 1.2 million pre-orders were made for these new flagship phones in Samsung's home country. Last year, Samsung got about 1.09 million pre-orders in Korea for the Galaxy S23 series in the first week after its launch. But this year, the Galaxy S24 series is doing even better. It's expected that by the end of the year, total sales will be close to 36 million units. This would make the Galaxy S24 the first top-end Samsung phone since the Galaxy S10 in 2019 to sell over 30 million units. The largest phone service providers in South Korea have noted that more customers are visiting stores to see the Galaxy S24 series for themselves, probably to experience its artificial intelligence features firsthand. As anticipated, the most attention is on the Ultra model. An official from one of the carriers mentioned that over 60% of the pre-orders they received are for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Although the Galaxy S24 might do better than its earlier versions, it's unlikely to match the success of the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Back in 2019, the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus set a record with almost 1.4 million pre-orders, the highest ever for any Galaxy device in Korea. It's uncertain if this record will ever be surpassed. Samsung might find it especially challenging to beat this record if they decide to charge customers extra to use artificial intelligence features in their future phones. Soon, there's going to be a new product called the Galaxy Ring. It's said to be the most advanced health ring, with features like checking your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It will work together with Galaxy smartphones. If it works well, it could change the market a lot. The Galaxy Ring might also be more affordable than other health rings. As we all know, Galaxy S24 series is official. Pre-order Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or the Galaxy S24 Ultra and get up to $750 instant trade-in credit now through March 30. Plus, enjoy $150 instant Samsung credit, including an exclusive additional $50. Click on View Product option in my video and purchase through my special links. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.